In this video, I'm going to show you how to get shift lock on Roblox mobile. So first, of course, you will have to open up the Roblox app on your phone of choice. Now this will work on both iOS and Android, so don't worry. And then once you're inside Roblox, you will of course have to log in or sign in. And then simply find the game that you're playing. It doesn't matter. It works. You can do this in any game. So I'm gonna open up Anime Vanguards right now and launch it up, and inside the game is where we're gonna do this. Now keep in mind that the same shift lock that's available on, for example, the PC version or any other versions of Roblox isn't available on mobile, so we'll have to go with kind of an alternative, okay? And the way you do this is simply by clicking up here, up top left, where there's that Roblox icon. You want to click on it, and then you want to go to the second tab, which says Settings. Then once you click Settings over here, as you can see, the first thing is camera mode. Now by default you'll have the default and follow in the brackets, and what you have to switch it to is classic. So that's the only way, that's the only alternative we can get shift lock on Roblox mobile. So that's pretty much all we can do. Once you switch to classic, you can press X and you've successfully done it. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.